Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power button. Let's swipe down to power off the device and wait a couple of seconds. Now let's open the slot. The slot is located at the back of the device, right here at the bottom edge. Let's simply open the slot by using some kind of the special eject tool, or it could be simply the paper pin. Let's open the slot, and here you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me show you. Let's insert the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. As simple as that. Alright. Now let's put the whole thing into your device and let's press it to the end. Now you can simply switch on your OPPO device to check out if your card is working properly. The phone is switching on. Alright, let's unlock the phone. And now you can wait for the mobile network access and you will be able to use your SIM card. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.